Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode of Cook with Ira, I'm showing you how to make chicken fried rice. Now this is a Nepali fried rice in fusion with Asian fried rice, and you'll know why in a little bit. This is a great dish when you have some leftover rice from the night before, but if you make this, you're gonna love it so much that you're gonna actually make an extra rice the night before so you can have this for lunch tomorrow. So let's go over ingredients so we can get started here. You're going to need some cooked rice, some cabbage, eggs, red onions, scallions, carrots, bell peppers, soy sauce, sriracha sauce, this is chili garlic sauce, some garlic powder and onion powder. This is frozen peas. If you're using the raw ones, boil it for a little bit before using it. Some salt and oil. And here I have some chicken and then I have added some turmeric powder, red chili powder, and some cumin coriander powder mix with a little bit of oil. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this really well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this back in the fridge and let it rest with all the spices for about 30 minutes or so. We just want to marinate for a little bit so all the flavors will get in. And after that, I'll show you what to do next. My chicken has been marinating for about 30 minutes now. So over here, I have some vegetable oil preheating on about medium-high heat. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to deep fry my chicken until they are lovely golden brown, and I'll show you what to do next. The chicken looks lovely golden brown. This is what you're looking for. Now over here I have about 2 tablespoons of the same oil that I deep fried my chicken in, and what we're going to do is we're going to scramble the eggs, and after scrambling I'll tell you what to do next. Eggs are done. So what we're going to do is remove it for the moment, and we're going to keep it aside for later. I'm going to add in a little bit of more oil, just a little bit. Now we're going to fry our onions, and I'm going to cook this until it is lovely golden brown, and I'll show you what to do next. I'm going to add in my carrots and bell peppers, and now I'm going to cook this for about 2 minutes until the carrots get a little bit soft, and then we'll add in our cabbage. The carrots and bell peppers have turned a little soft, so I've turned my heat to medium, and I'm going to add in the cabbage. Now I'm going to cook this until the cabbage gets a little soft and maybe slightly brown, and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. So it's been about a minute. Now the easiest part, I'm going to add my rice, chicken, eggs, and my peas. Now I'm going to mix everything well and cook for another minute or so, and then we're gonna add our sauces. Look at this gorgeousness. Look at all the colors. It looks really, really yummy. My mouth is salivating already. Now I'm going to add in my garlic powder and onion powder, soy sauce, my chili garlic sauce, and this Sriracha sauce. And I'm going to add in a pinch of salt. And I'm going to cook this for another 3 minutes or so that all the flavors get to combine nicely, and then it'll be ready to plate and eat. I'm excited. My fried rice is ready. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some scallions from top for garnishing. Cannot wait to dig in. I'm going to take a little bit of everything. It is really good. The balance of all the Asian spices with the Nepali spices from the chicken really comes together well. The combination of all the veggies, chicken, eggs, rice, it's really, really good and delicious. You have to try this. Try this recipe at home, and if you like it, give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget that all the measurements and the ingredients will be in the description box. If you have any comments or questions, put it in the comment section down below. And thank you for watching today, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!